a reckoning power of people. Without true knowledge, we have no reason for existence, and a people without a purpose will soon be extinct. Now I'm going to read that again. Knowledge of our principles brings a clearer understanding of our purpose, which then allows us to become a reckoning power of people. Without true knowledge, we have no reason for existence, and a people without a purpose will soon be extinct. A people without a purpose will soon be extinct. For this reason, humankind's fourth law of existence is as knowledge, the ability to grow and develop through study, observation, and application. Number 5, the law of wisdom. The law of wisdom supplies an endless understanding of all things. Wisdom indicates that each person has within himself goals and objectives for the fulfillment of his purpose in life. However, wisdom also indicates that such fulfillment can only be accomplished through growth and development. The law of wisdom governs our ability to judge each degree of any situation, ranging from extremely wrong to barely wrong, and from extremely right to barely right. By looking at it in two situations that are similar in fact, we may judge them differently because we have the wisdom to see the difference between any two situations. Often, you will hear a person say, well, so-and-so did the same thing and such didn't happen to him. This person is surely not using his wisdom. If he was, he would surely understand that all situations and things are different by law. All situations and things are different by law. Therefore, it would not be wise to offer the same judgment to similar situations. It would not be wise to offer the same judgment to similar situations. Especially when our wisdom allows us to see the minute difference of these things. No matter how small the difference may be, it exists. The law of wisdom allows us to recognize no separateness between the one end and the many, but realize that each individual has at least one degree of uniqueness about himself that makes him different from everyone else, although he may be the same as everyone else in all aspects. Through unity, the law of wisdom encourages us to work together toward common goals, even when there seems to be no hope. In this manner, a little wisdom, carefully placed, can tap into greater energies in such a way that thousands can be fed, clothed, sheltered, and entire nations can be built. By the same token, the non-use of wisdom hinders us and causes us to move through life in a robot-type behavior pattern. We become purely mechanical in nature, indulging in all the thrills we desire, but we do not progress. The proper use of wisdom can be seen by those of us whose actions reveal a new direction of self and are living according to the new concept of our new direction. In this manner, wisdom promotes true growth and development. The law of wisdom governs our ability to see 360 degrees of any situation bit by bit, little by little, and degree by degree, until we can see the whole situation and make a wise judgment. Down through the ages, it has been proven that those who had wisdom could manipulate those who were ignorant. I'm going to say it again. Down through the ages, it has been proven that those who had wisdom could manipulate those who were ignorant. However, because wisdom has such power, it must be completely understood that those who use their wisdom for destructive purposes are those who shall receive devastation in their endeavors on many levels thereafter. Make no mistake about it, and I'm going to say it again. However, because wisdom has such power, it must be completely understood that those who use their wisdom for destructive purposes are those who shall receive devastation in their endeavors on many levels thereafter. For this reason, humankind's fifth law of existence is as wisdom, the ability to apply your knowledge wisely. Number 6, the law of understanding. As we continue to grow and develop, our awareness and the desire for understanding increases. The law of understanding causes us to probe into the nature of those forces outside of our own control. This law supplies us with the ability to reason and allows us to take a rational approach toward life. In this law is the desire to put things into order, to classify, to see things in the order of cause and effect. The law of understanding rules that small voice in the back of everyone's head and makes them aware of the right thing to do, say, and think. The law of understanding is commonly known as our conscience. Because of this, you will often hear a person say, "Something told me to do it this way." In this manner, everyone has understanding, but few of us see our understanding to its full potential. Why? Perhaps due to our endowment of free will and our desire to do as we please, most of us do not listen to our conscience. You see, the law of understanding our conscience is neutral to our actions, and it never does it urge us to act in a certain way. Only will can urge us to act in a given manner. However, because the law of understanding allows us to understand the right thing to do and the best direction to take, we can become channels for our ideal if we would only listen to and heed the law of understanding. The most important degree of understanding is respect. Respect for all others as well as yourself and kind. Respect is the attitude of looking twice as deep into the eyes and hearts of your fellow man, looking twice as deep into any person or situation that confronts you. Understanding, when tempered by respect, goes beyond the surface appearance and shallow glances to discover a deeper meaning and purpose for life. Without the attitude of respect for all persons and things, the benefits of the law of understanding cannot be realized and our ability to be